like has a, so for today's video, I'll be playing Gorilla Tag. So it looks like that. So hope you guys enjoy. Down. You gotta check this out. Pretty cool. Yo. Hey guys, check this out. I'm not modding, guys. Bonk! Yo, I'm not modding, guys. I'm not modding. Other people are in here. I can join like a whole different server.
Guess what, bro?
Guys,
You
you have to check this.
not even the fault.
I think that my whole beach might be open. We're gonna check.
How did I get to green?
Uh-oh. My team's already glitched.
Rick, you have no memory. When I was in the water,
Okay, so that's not open yet.
I left the game and it chose random player again.
I'm kind of warm.
Yeah, I'm
Too
a
warm.
Get in the corner.
Oh, that's cool. Not it though. Still more guys. Sink. I'm just really
know you're a child. I can't.
thinking. It's so cool that.
Back. Dude. It's back. Oh my gosh. This is amazing, dude. Oh my gosh.
Way better than the mad scientist update.
Oh my gosh. It's back. How? Like, are they gonna come back with the volcano or something? I tagged them.
Hope you guys.
No, 40 had tagged me.
Let's see this.
Wait, this is amazing, dude. I love this update. Volcano back, everything. Yo. I want this update, Tim. I want better than it. Probably not good. Oh, the big giant volcano back. I need to rupture the chain off. Oh my god. Bro, it's camping for you right there. Yeah. No, that's a joking. Bro, you just added tagline.
Okay.
Join. Someone just.
Hey guys.
No. Me.
Guys, have to check this out.
No.
Sick. Guys, have to check it out. Very cool.
Oh, no.
Okay, so. No.
Guys, it is slips.
Let's see. Cosmetics. Should be some sick. There should be some sick cosmetics.
Pink. Yo, purple. Yeah, I'll put it back.
Yo.
Come here. Purple. Hold on, wait. Let me test out this.
Pink?
Yo, one of you come here. Stricken for hate speech. He's been saying the N word. Yo, white, come here. And the B word. He said it like, I don't know, like,
Oh my god.
times. He said the N word. Where are you? Guys, you like you? That's racist. I'm new. Guys, ready? That's right. Let's see what it tastes like.
Wait,
Hey, you.
we're having cosmetics?
Wed.
Oh,
Come
came
here.
out.
Wed.
Oh, dummy.
Yo, let me buy the GT. Yo. Hey, who's K9? Who's K9? We are chickens, man. Wow, I just juked someone. Yo, boy. Come here. not getting sidetracked. What do you think about the new girls I got there? What do you think about the new girls I got there?
It's good as hell. I honestly like it.
Last was better. Last update was better. Alright.
Yeah. I love this, bro.
The color code for Canada. If you say so.
I mean 11.
Yo, I finally got a hold of ball.
Every time.
Cry and let it all out.
They blocked for 2.
Change your name.
They blocked.
It's actually.
Please come back.
Briskies, can y'all hear me? You don't hear me?
It's fine.
I check on my phone.
Who wants a bite of cake?
Yo,
You want
yo, yo, yo. You want some? You want some?
Yeah.
No.
Hey, can I show you guys
Do you
something?
know?
I'm about to waste all this money.
Should I do it? Badge.
Oh,
Should I waste
GT3 badge.
the money?
Yeah.
Who wants a cupcake?
Who wants a cupcake? Who wants a cake?
Me.
I do. Behind you.
Yeah.
That's a badge. No, damn, I want that.
Yes.
Not.
Happy birthday.
Me too. No. Everyone.
The cupcake was from the second birthday.
Everyone, come here.
It's just, but it's just
Everyone.
43.
Everyone, come here.
45.
That's sick.
Everyone, come here.
No, 100.
I'm gonna show you everything else. You want it?
Everyone, come here.
Obviously.
It's
You don't.
Everyone. Monkeys, come here.
Your butt.
The wand, a heart wand.
Anything different?
Happy birthday to you.
Everything reset. They reset my thing. That's the finished comp course. Dang. Yeah.
It is my tradition, but
I guess today's
What about
his birthday.
if I get something?
But today's Lemming's birthday.
$0 for a bag, a heart bag.
Okay, finally. Okay. Let's type in the rotating map. Swamp map. Swamp map.
I'll make you fall in love with green. Bibbidi bobbidi boo. Yeah, ha ha. Let me hit you. Let me hit you with my stick. Wait. You.
Nothing's new. The glitches are fixed.
Eat.
oh, you are gonna die
hang on,
so
what?
much.
No way they actually fixed it. You didn't fix anything.
I just burped
It's not.
for no reason.
Oh yeah! Wait, not actually.
I burped at night. I am a guardian angel.
That kid's a YouTuber.
I hate
Hey, isn't the map better now?
Yeah. No. As new
I know you
graphics.
are. So
The
stop
fireplace
hiding.
is still floating.
Damn. Oh, he did a wall.
Here. Good job. At least I got you, bro. Good job.
Oh, thanks. Thank you.
Oh, black. I'm coming for you. You.
Yeah.
The community of this game is so good.
Got you.
job.
Good game, good game, good game. Hey guys.
Graphics are much better. Hey, boxes.
I tagged you.
Hey, boxes.
I swear, if
Hey,
someone
the
calls me
boxes.
purple, it's not purple, it's maroon.
Oh, purple.
I'm not the one that's
That would be
zip
sick.
lining. I'm not the one that's zip
Swamp,
lining. I'm the
Look how
other
glitchy
one
this
that has
is.
maroon. Get to get.
I wonder what the next map is gonna be for this.
Well.
It's rotating.
Probably gonna be I think.
Okay, so. Look at this canyon. It's even better. Yeah. Stay over here for now, guys. Let's for today's video. Oh,
They brought
Oh
me
my
back
God.
to the volcano.
How do you change
I'm
your
just
frames?
make another video with me playing this video again. Bye.
Just put these